Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C21Y, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So first of all, we will customize this mode, and then I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So let's begin with opening the settings and tap on the display. And here, as you can see, on the third position we've got the night light option, so simply enter, and in order to customize it we have to firstly turn it on, so just tap on this big button, and as you can see the screen immediately changes to the yellowish tones, or actually amber, and it is of course in order to filter the blue light, and will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So here we've got the switcher which will allow us to change the intensity of that feature. Right now it is set on the warmest option, but you can switch it to the coolest option, so it's really up to you which intensity is the best for you. I will stick with the warmest option. We can also schedule that feature, and as you can see we can turn it on at custom time, so we can freely pick the start and end time, or we can turn it on from sunset to sunrise. So your device will automatically, probably based on network, it will be network provided, will decide when the sunset and sunrise are. So let me show you how to custom time, for example, and as you can see after picking it we've got the start and end time. So after tapping on it we will be able to pick from this clock the start time we want to use. So let me pick, for example, I don't know, maybe midnight. Tap on OK. And we can pick the end time, and I will pick, I don't know, 6 o'clock. So let's tap on OK, and as you can see the screen immediately turns to yellow, and it is because we are between the start time and end time. But I will turn it off. So let's tap on none. So this is actually the whole customization of this feature in this device, and I told you that I will show you much faster access to it. So all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar fully, and here on this panel we will have to find the night light icon, which is right here. Right now it is obviously turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it and the screen immediately turns back to its normal state. Of course you can turn it on the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the night light or a comfort mode in your REALME C21Y. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.